1-second installation without any tools. Satuo, make your vacuum cleaner mop. Bionic and ergonomic design. Mopping frequency 600 times per minute. Deeply clean all kinds of dirt and residue. Nothing can escape. Bionic design with scavenger fish mouth. Strong absorption, no hair attached. Innovative microstatic mop. No dust can escape. Innovative dry and wet mopping. New nano-level water control system. Adjust the water volume to the ideal state. Make the floor dry right after mopping. Vacuuming and mopping, two functions in one.